こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make Korean vegetable pancake. This delicious Korean vegetable pancake is called Yachaejeon. I hope I pronounce it correctly. This thin, savory pancake is packed with a lot of vegetables, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Served with a delightful dipping sauce which is based on soy sauce and vinegar, it adds a savory umami and a bright tangy kick to complement the crispy pancake. Okay, let's get started. The vegetable filling of this pancake can easily be customized to your liking. For my version, I chose 3 simple vegetables: onion, carrot, and spring onion. That's it. Slice half an onion into thin slices. Cut 1 carrot into 2-inch or 5 cm very thin sticks. Chop 2 spring onions into bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, place 70 grams of plain flour and 30 grams of cornflour and add 150 ml of cold vegetable stock. It's just a dissolved vegetable stock cube in hot water that has been left to cool in the fridge. Using cold stock makes the pancake light and crispy. Add a pinch of salt and mix. The batter should be quite thin. And then add all the vegetables and mix. The batter is done. Before cooking the pancake, let's make the dipping sauce. In a bowl, place 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and mix to combine. Add half a clove of grated garlic, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds, and if you want, add a pinch of Korean gochugaru chili pepper or normal chili powder and mix. Now, cook the pancake. Heat 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large frying pan. I use 11 inches or 28 cm frying pan. Place the butter and spread it out. Cook over medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes or until crispy and golden. Flip and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil along the pancake's edge. Press gently with a spatula to make it thinner and give it a crispier texture. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until crispy and golden. Transfer to a cutting board or plate and cut into bite-sized pieces. Serve with the dipping sauce. できた。Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said, this pancake is super simple to make, and you can effortlessly cook and eat a lot of vegetables. The flavorsome dipping sauce is just irresistible, making you want to eat this pancake more and more. Thank you for watching Furi Furi Kitchen. ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね